Keep your karmic accounts clean and settled. I know if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then you'll have to watch the video. Yes, even I'm eager to start the video because the topic which I'm going to take today is what nearly all of us are dealing with. Yes, the sufferings and the losses in life. It is only in our darkest hours we may discover the true strength of ourselves. और ये बिल्कुल सच है. We have to take control of what I can do and stop worrying about what I can't do. जब मैं वो चीज़ कर ही नहीं सकती तो उसके बारे में मुझे वरी करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. Everyone gets weak when something bad happens. घबरा जाते हैं लोग. But who is strong from inside will be weak for a lesser time. One who is strong, he knows how to lift him up. वो उस सिचुएशन से जल्दी बाहर आ जाता है. Like for an example, if you are running and you fall after being hit by a rock, what will you do? आप क्या करेंगे? Keep crying and cursing the rock? Try to get up and move on? Or curse the rock and try to crush it into pieces? Choice is yours. ट्रबल्स इन लाइफ बड़ी भी हो सकती हैं, छोटी भी. ये आपकी समझ है कि आप बिग प्रॉब्लम को छोटा बनाते हैं या छोटी प्रॉब्लम को भी बिग बना लेते हैं. लाइफ इज़ फुल ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स एंड द ट्रिक इज़ टू एंजॉय द गुड टाइम्स and to have the courage to face the bad one. Whatever brings you down will eventually make you strong. But is it so easy? Let's understand all this with few examples. Bouncing back after a huge loss कभी कभी impossible लगता है. This only happens when our focus is only on one side of the coin. The other side of the coin involves lessons of life, experiences of life that is preparing you for a better you, for a stronger you. और आप उस तरफ देखते ही नहीं हैं. Whatever will be your actions today will make your tomorrow. So if we want a happy future, plan your actions accordingly. Don't forget you are choosing the behavior. Be ready for the consequences. जब भी लाइफ में कुछ मिस हैपनिंग, कुछ सफरिंग आती है, हम घबरा जाते हैं. वी स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग गॉड. बट रिमेंबर एवरी सफरिंग लीव्स अ लेसन एंड एन एक्सपीरियंस बोथ. पेन मेक्स यू रिमेंबर, स्टॉप्स यू फ्रॉम रिपीटिंग. ऑलवेज आस्क गॉड to give us wisdom to know what must be done during this bad time and the courage to do it. And on the top of that, you will realize who is really there for you when you are at your worst. No matter how strong you are, you still need a shoulder to lean on, someone who will just listen and tell you that no matter how far you have fallen, you can still get up again, stronger and wiser than before. Hardships are often blessings in disguise. ये हमको पता ही नहीं होता. हम सिर्फ कर्स समझकर वही डिप्रेशन में आ जाते हैं. You can always search for a true friend, a counselor or a guide. But before that, take all the crazy experiences and lessons and place them in a box. Label क्या करेंगे आप उस बॉक्स को? Thank you. And lessen your pains and sufferings because आपने उसको बना दिया God's gift. Thank you to God. Whenever you get anything in abundance, you tend to become careless. So what does God do? He keeps track of everything. He pulls you down to make you realize the worth of the minutest thing. The law of giving is very simple. If you want joy, give joy. If love is what you seek, offer love. If you crave material affluence, help others. And this is the way you can be happy and prosperous. Always be aware of your actions. Never intentionally or unintentionally hurt anyone. Because यही actions आपके karmic account बनता है and this is what is known as destiny. So destiny is in your hand. Why to blame God and the situation? And now an astrological tip. कभी भी आपको मॉनेटरी लॉस होता है, किसी ने आपको चीट किया हो, फ्रॉड किया हो, एंड यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम मनी, देन व्हाट? हेल्प दोज हु आर नीडी। जिनके पास मनी नहीं है उनको हेल्प करें। It all depends how much your pocket allows, and see the difference, see the curse changing into blessing. Now if you are suffering from a dreadful disease, then what? Help the one who are sick and cannot afford, वो ट्रीटमेंट अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे, हेल्प देम फाइनेंशियली। अगर आप फाइनेंशियली नहीं कर सकते हैं, देन टेक केयर ऑफ देम। गो टू अ प्लेस जहाँ बीमार है, जहाँ उनको केयर की ज़रूरत है, ओल्ड एज होम है, serve there and see how this curse will also be changed into blessings. If your child is not studying या वो फोकस नहीं कर पा रहा, any problem related to education, then what? Help any needy child जो पढ़ना चाह रहा हो, either money से or giving them education, and see this curse also, how it changes into blessings. So it all depends आप उस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे लेते हैं. Take it solution oriented, never be stuck into the problem. Lessen your sufferings, it is all what you can do it yourself. Don't blame the situation, don't blame God. Thank you so much.